Have you ever tried to vibe code a site with one of these AI agents, but when it comes to setting up a database and all of this other stuff, it's an absolute nightmare, and you basically just have to give up with the app because you don't know about APIs and coding? Well, today I'm going to talk to you about EasySite because these guys have their own in-house database, making things way easier so you can code the whole thing without actually needing to code, but using the AI to do so and actually just go step by step, bang, 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 until you have a full app. Okay, so let's dive into this. Drop a like on the video. I'm going to walk you through every step of the process. So once you've got your account, guys, all you got to do is type in a prompt like you do with any vibe coding, and yes, just press generate my website. So that's exactly what I did with a couple of my projects here. I'll show you them right now, but you can see this looks pretty meaty, and you're probably wondering, how did I get such a big prompt here? Now you can do this by obviously using your own brain and thinking of the app yourself, or you can do what I did and actually go to Grok or another AI and say, hey, be creative, make me a prompt for a vibe coding site, and then boom, it's basically going to come up with the entire thing for you. You can give it a few brief kind of steps on what you want, of course, but yes, then you're going to paste it in here like you can see I've done. It's going to then work away for about 2 to 5 minutes, which, yeah, it's on the longer side, but there's definitely a lot more here compared to other AI platforms out there for vibe coding, and I haven't had any errors with this, I will just say. And then, yes, it's going to ask you for a database. So I can say, hey, enable the database. And then it's basically going to say, hey, do you want to use Firebase? Do you want to use another database? Do you want to use, what's the other one? Superbase, right? Or do you want to use the in-house EasySite AI database? And I clicked that one, and now everything works perfectly. And it's actually gone ahead and created this whole thing for me. So this is the finished product for the app. We can see here that, yeah, it's a journaling app, and it's in a Galaxy format. So it's actually saved all of my stuff in the database here. So that's fantastic. Normally, when you're previewing sites, it's not going to save any of your data. But as you can see here, all the journals I've written are all in this. And obviously, the idea for this app is that you just go through the star map, and it's connected from the most recent journal to the newest one. So you could click a random one, go back in time, forward in time. You could even actually go ahead and put this in 3D format if you want. But let's just write a little journal here. Boom, boom, boom. Save the entry, and then boom, it's come back with another thing here. So the fact that this is just working off the bat with no errors is incredible. Okay, it really, really is. We also have an insights and analytics page. This thing's coded up for us, and this is really, really cool. This is really decent. We've got all the recent ones here if we want it in that format, and a great journaling app here. And the best thing is we can actually change this to mobile view. And the absolute favorite thing about this platform for me, guys, is the fact that you can just generate an Android app. You don't have to go into a different platform, export it from this one, put it in, get an SDK or whatever, right? You basically just press generate Android app, give the app a name, upload a photo, okay, boom, and then it's going to generate the app for you and give you a download link and a QR code to download the APK to your Android phone. And that for me is fantastic. So what I'm going to do here is actually show you how to do that. Publish here, platform, EasySite. We can actually choose which ones we want to publish this to, whether it's WordPress, whatever. We'll go with EasySite here, deploy now, and then boom, it's deployed successfully. We can go to this website now and see it working fantastically. But now this site is published, guys, what we're going to do is actually create an Android app out of it. So we're going to go with Cosmic Journal. There we go. We're going to upload this logo, and then we're going to press generate Android app. And as you can see, this thing is working away to basically just give me a QR code here and a download link. From that point, I can put it onto my phone and actually just have it as my local app. Easy as anything. It would still be connected to the database on the Easy AI sites, or the EasySite AI, which I think is fantastic to get your app off the ground as a startup anyway, and then you can move it on to the professional databases. And yeah, this is just great to get your app going, to get it working, to get it something where you can actually use it rather than just having it in a preview screen. I think this is really, really good. And they also have a really cool settings page here where if you did want to put your own imagery that you've got from your graphics designer in here or videos, you can add it by adding files in this section here. And the way you get to that, guys, is just pressing the settings button up there. So that's good, right? As well as that, they've got a bunch of other stuff that you would normally have to go between a bunch of tabs to manage, but you've got it all here right at your fingertips. So you've got custom instructions, you've got domains here, so you can actually get your own custom domain set up with this. You've got a chat bot where you can give it its own knowledge base and it's going to respond based on that. And then we've got webhooks if we want, SEO, where it's actually written all the SEO for us, which is fantastic. You can actually have a whole email system set up here where, yes, it's actually just going to give you confirmation emails and all of that good stuff. And as you can see right now, it's just generated that QR code where we can access the app. Feel free to scan this on your screen right now if you want to check. It might not be up by this point, but you can see here everything is working and the app is good. We can even click this and it's going to download the app for us, but that's how you generate the APK as well. But besides that, we have the database that we can access all inside here. We have payment system, so we just simply connect our Stripe API key. We can start monetizing, and third-party integrations such as Google and Facebook login here as well. So great stuff here from EasySite AI. Definitely the best vibe coding site out there when it comes to just making websites and making content that you can monetize off the bat with databases without needing to hire devs or graphic designers or anything like this. You can see I've done this literally in under 5 minutes today. So go out there and do it yourself. Go ahead and click the link in the description, guys, to get involved with EasySite AI. This is one of the best platforms out there for generating websites and vibe coding. So that's gonna be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next video. Hold up, you didn't subscribe yet, did you? What are you doing? Come on, man.